Marks with the Cats on the last line. Goes into the back pocket and spots up O'Sheen Mullen. The Irishman goes back to Henry on the last line. And that is a very pleasing quarter if you're a Cat.
Sharp tried to fight through the tackle, said the umpire, and as a result, free kicks going to close in front of the benches. You didn't end up having your conversation with Ray either about that.
No, we might do that at half time.
Yeah, okay, we'll cut that up. Now, sleeve about insufficient intent. Comes back inboard to DeConey. DeConey long to half forward. No mark. Spills through to O'Connor. Hand pass to Ollie Henry. Kick touched on the way through. Bounces to the goal square. Dempsey up to meet it. Jordan Clark's got him. Lays the tackle. Myers tries to knock it on. Still a live footy. O'Driscoll collects. He's tackled. Says, I'll have it. Ball up top of the goal square for the Cats. Kicking to the Barwon River end. Geelong by a game high 32.
Umpire puts it up. Jackson straight down. Stengel coming through. Sharks it. Loses it. Right there is Ollie Henry. Gives it back to Stengel. Out to close. Bailey Smith in the pocket. Looks a centering ball. Looking for a marker. Underneath it, Holmes drops the chest mark. Spills out to Jackson. Comes back with it. Ping. Jeez. Holding the ball. Ray Chamberlain.
Umpires determined that there was a fend there, and by virtue of that, it's a prior opportunity, so he's got a handball or kick and failed to do so. So it was sharp, but it was accurate.
Max Holmes with the free kick in the pocket. Curls it through perfectly. They're purring the Cats. It's a little too easy at the moment.